Let's go at descriptive stat for mean, median, and mode. So let's say, for example, the question is yung gano'n, no? So I'll just ask this. This is not the formal question in our statement of the problem. It's just for the sake of exercise, no? What is the mean, or what are the mean, median, and mode, or determine the mean, median, and mode of NMAT performance. NMAT performance. Okay? So what are we going to do with this? What are the mean, median, and mode? Ito yung mga diba, descriptive stats. So ang gagawin natin, we go to data analysis, and then there's descriptive stat there. You simply click that. You go okay, and then you go input range. Ito yung the variable of interest, right? And then you highlight. We highlighted the label, right? Did we include the label? I think we begin with K3. The output range, so you notice that biglang mag-highlight niyan. No? So, just simply click here. Saan nyo ba gusto ilagay ang descriptive stat na result? So, I would want to click this. That will tell the computer, put it there, okay? And then you say, and then we click summary statistics, and then we go okay. Klaro ba? Okay, so it's already there. Oo, so yun lang man. Ba? Okay. So let's just look at this, The mean then is 77, which is the same as kanina. Remember? Diba? Remember we solved for the average. Okay? And then the median is 83. When you arrange all this in order, okay? All right. Sige daw. Let's arrange daw this B, and then tinambanon ko ni. What if I don't trust this? Okay? Sige, look at this muna. I don't trust this, panalitan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to arrange them from highest to lowest. Okay? So I'm going to arrange that from highest to lowest. Alright. So let's see. Expand the selection. Yeah, you can do that. See, look at that. This is not highest to lowest. This is lowest to highest, no? So we go. Okay, continue. We go sort. We go highest to lowest, right? Is it largest to smallest? Yung kanina, anong sabi pag mag-arrange? Yung sabi natin sa PowerPoint. Dapat ba smallest to largest? Anong sabi natin sa when we do the descriptive? When we compute for the descriptive in terms of median. No? Look at that. Lowest to highest. Okay, so lowest to highest. There are 36. What do you think is the middle of 36 entries? 18, di ba? Pero ang middle is yung ika-18 tsaka ika-19. Correct? Ika-18 ba tsaka ika-19. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, tsaka 19. 83 plus 84. No? 83 plus 84. What happened to my result here? Sige. Pero ang 83 tsaka 84, unsa gani ang ingon sa tinamban? 83 plus 84 i-divide sa 2. Unsa may answer ani? Mas mayo pa rin na ako ra siyang gi-click. Narabi ang result median. 'Di ba? Ba mo gid kag mangita pa kag laing kuan. Again, what am I going to do? I'll go to data analysis. I'll go to data analysis, click descriptive stat, click OK, and then you highlight highlight I'll delete muna this. Highlight the data or the variable of interest. Okay, we go like that. And then there's click labels in row and then click this. Okay, and where would you want this placed? No, you want this placed here. Okay, so you click that and then you go okay. So again, the median is given, the mode is 99. Ba? Oo. So the mean is like that. Okay? So descriptive statistics. Klaro ba?